For those of y'all who don't know, this is Tieman Place.
My man in the camera, you already know. The best guy in the camera.
When I get the van,
Right, we're too busy, baby.
The block party was actually thrown on Claremont this year, but nonetheless, the neighborhood showing out. See, everybody came outside to represent. Dominoes had to be played. You know what's going on when the poppies is outside. Nah, but it was epic. You felt the family vibe. There go my main man. You see what's going on. There's love being shown out there. Ain't gonna lie, I just gotta show y'all what New York City look like and what goes on in New York City, because it's always a vibe. And we got a lot of back blocks that people don't know about and don't really pay attention to. But guess what? New York is alive and New York is well. And New York ain't going nowhere. Now Claremont, they had problems with their block. They had issues with, housing and moving people in and out. And now they fighting for their block to keep it from being too gentrified and keep the people that's been in the neighborhood for years still there. So I ain't gonna lie, it's something to be commended that's going on back here. And I can't front, man. You might be surprised. See something you like. Yeah, this is Harlem though. It's a lot of blocks like this. But if you know, you know. And if you don't know, you out the loop. But just see how the people is fellowshipping, coming together, and enjoying themselves. It's nothing like a vibe, a Harlem vibe. You see that? Everybody out here. Everybody get to enjoy themselves. The love is there. It's nothing but love. Yo, this block has a lot of reasons that it's really legendary. But one of them is that they have their own, recorder, basically, who does the history of their whole block. This beautiful woman right here. She's an older Spanish woman who's actually been taking pictures of the neighborhood since the 1950s. These are some of the pictures right here. She took me through a tour of some of the people that was in the neighborhood from back in the days all the way up until now. She has multiple generations involved. This was an interesting situation, and I really appreciate it.
Here we have young people that are still in the neighborhood. Many have been displaced, so they never leave. They come back. And we fight for affordable housing.
This is a tight-knit community. You could tell. It's a warm feeling over here. I'm literally from not too far away, but I don't know many of these people. You know why? Because they stay within the community.
Yeah, baby! Harlem in the building, you already know. Yes. Let's go. Let's get it.
And yeah, they did not cheat the kids. Basketball hoops, bouncy balls, you can name it. They had it.
Hey guys, my name is Anna Melissa, and I'm so happy to be here at the annual Teiman Block Party, now the anti-gentrification block party. We are here 25 years plus, all community, neighbors, friends, local businesses. Come support, come have fun. Everyone is welcome. We have our photographer here who has been recording and keeping records of everyone from childhood in the neighborhood, before this neighborhood was gentrified, when we can sit outside on our stoops, when we could all get together and hang out in front of our lobbies before a lot of things started changing. So we're trying to maintain and keep our community intact, keep our friendships connected, and that's what this block party is about. So come on and check it out.
The young lady you just saw was Anna Melissa. She was someone from the block who they asked to represent, and she did speak well. But I ain't gonna hold you, man. It was a good vibe. It was just one of them nice days. Everybody was chill. See the kids. Kids was good. No shooting went on. See Packy, this is her block actually. She's the one who brought me up here. So you're gonna see her wilding a little bit. But seriously, OGs, they was talking about sports. Had to be, because they was over there all night. And I had to get down with the domino. I had to get on the domino table. Yeah, I had to. So what? I had to do what I had to do. It's my partner, y'all. Let them know what we're going to do to them, partner.
We're going to win.
Yeah, as you can see, I had fun. I actually stayed the duration of the block party. You can see I wound up ending my night actually at the dominoes table because I just couldn't resist. And when you feel at home and you feel the love and you feel the vibe, you're going to want to stay. You're going to want to be around. But it's about over. Like, subscribe, and please leave a comment and let me know what y'all feel about Claremont and Tieman, please. And I'm out.